What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am actually at Kuching International Airport and I'll be going back to KLIA, waiting for my flight. The aircraft is not even here yet. Right, the aircraft is not even here yet. And then, yeah, this is my gate. There we go. So the aircraft is not even here at the moment, so I'm just going to chill for a moment. Just sit down and enjoy the rest. I mean, it's my first time here in Kuching. I was here for an expedition. And then, yeah, nothing much, I would say. Aircraft is not even here. The boarding is at 12:30 PM and flight is at 1:30. Flight is at 1:30 PM. So I'm just gonna chill first. You know, jalan-jalan. It's famous English. Famous English. Nice. Right. That's my gate. I'll be departing from gate number 5. Aircraft is not there yet, so let's just relax and just sit down at one place and let's just chill. nice. The captain was so great, man. Kudos. Hi guys. Hello, how are you? Have a safe flight, guys. Oh, the landing just now was just so smooth. It's been a while since I got that kind of landing, to be honest. Now let's go back. I'll be going to Kuching either next week or after the election. And then obviously there's not much more. And goodbye guys, see you again.
Phone itu request satu.
Cutting down, good evening, assalamualaikum.
Salam.